Ejiana Ol'Aimerri Media.
Well, hello. Kajengarnai Tito Oletutuma. Na agira kidwanga maana eroki tenadama enolong agira alotu. Aro kilikuwa tene wei peno na ora kidwana na atis atiaka pa elong ena yiyo Dr. Kipuri ajo cast review ena buku. Eton men ninye na kake aro kilikuwa layieu naitabaki eimu na enaisum nadipa atodua tena buku na kayieu naisumaki peno enejo the childhood stage is the one in which children perform small chores in the home, like running errands, looking after kids, calves, and babies. They are also taught traditional law informally, such as stories, riddles, and rhymes by their parents and grandparents. As they grow older, the boys take to grazing cattle, sheep, and goats, and their fathers and grandfathers teach them what there is to learn of traditional manly skills as well as the various plants and animals and their uses. The girls, in turn, learn from the women folk. This arrangement is strictly adhered to because, as the saying goes, Eder olayuni omenye, neder indiro ongoronye. The boy chats with his father, the girl chats with his mother. In this short video, I am going to tell you how you can help the youth of the savannah and the savannah itself to heal by conserving the environment while adding value to the youth. I'm also going to show you the importance of the rites of passage, to any community and especially to the Maasai right now. Without wasting much time, let's delve right into it. There is a Maasai proverb that says, Eder olayuni omenye, neder indiro ongoronye. In every society, it's always the role of the parents and the community to help the children to grow. And with the change in times, with the change in seasons, with the change, in technology and civilization, we have come to realize that there's a gap between transitions from childhood to adulthood for the generations of this time. It's from that, need that Ol'Aimerri Media has come up with a view to helping the community, help the youth to transition, through rites of passage by adapting conventional and new methods of the standard society to kind of integrate values and life skills to create prospects for the future while at the same time conserving the environment. Right now, Ol'Aimerri Media is looking to partner with Jazz for Peace. This is an organization that is involved in, funding and supporting ideas, individuals, organizations, and communities, that have projects that, seek to impact the communities by spreading peace on earth. And to them, they promote the American culture of jazz. So Rick Delarata, who is the founder, is going to play, a jazz concert to the VIP guests of or whatever cause that may be, while at the same time donating funds for a worthy cause. At Ol'Aimerri Media, we seek to put into a nursery 1,000 acacia seedlings that we intend to distribute for planting later on in public spaces. So how are you going to help us? We intend to partner with Jazz for Peace with your help, you becoming my VIP guest by signing a comment onto a video done by Jazz for Peace promoting their work, promoting their music. And while you do this comment, you send the comment back to me with your email address and I forward this. And once they compile a minimum threshold for me, I will be able to not only invite Rick Delarata to play his jazz music to all of us here, you included as a VIP guest, but we are also going to get funds into our account to help us reach the goal of putting 1,000 acacia seedlings on a nursery. We've been having this dream for long, and now is the time for you to help us. Yes, so let's conserve the environment while as well adding into the youth for building capacities in them and as well as connecting them to opportunities. And until then, my name is Teto Oletutuma. Remember, you can follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, on YouTube, particularly Teto Oletutuma and Ol'Aimerri TV. See you again next time.